If you love chocolate and Nutella, you're going to love this recipe. Let's get started.
For this recipe, we need 1 cup of heavy cream. This is 35% cream. A half a cup of Nutella. And a half a cup of chocolate chips. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. For our first step, I'm going to microwave my heavy cream until it's very hot. Once your heavy cream is nice and hot, get it into a large bowl. To that, I'm going to add in all of the chocolate chips. And then all of our beautiful Nutella. So what will happen is that hot cream is going to melt all of the Nutella and all of our chocolate chips. And I am using semi-sweet chocolate chips in this recipe. You can use anything that you like. Okay, that's good. And at this point, I'm just going to let this sit for about a minute or so. Okay, so this is a couple of minutes later. And I'm just going to start stirring this very, very easily, just like this. I don't need to get in there with a whisk. Just my little spatula is fine. And I just slowly start spinning in the middle. And you can see all of that magic happening right there. All of that Nutella and chocolate is starting to combine. And you may be wondering why I also used chocolate chips in this recipe. The reason is that Nutella is kind of liquidy at room temperature, whereas chocolate firms up. And if you use 100% Nutella in this, you're not going to have a firm final product. So that chocolate, the chocolate chips, add stability to this recipe. And it's very, very liquidy at this point. So in order to firm this up, I'm going to put this into the fridge. So this is about an hour and a half later, and just to finish up this video recipe, I just wanted to show you how thick this Nutella chocolate ganache has become. So I'll get in here with a spoon, and I'm just going to show you how firm this is. I'll bring it up so you can see it. But you can see how nice this is now. And because of the chocolate that we put in there, this is really nice and firm. So that chocolate adds stability to the overall, chemical makeup of this ganache. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.
And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.